After the Peloton Rower was announced back in their homecoming event in May, there haven't been any updates for it since. And with Peloton's shift in manufacturing and the removal of any social media posts mentioning the Peloton Rower, many have anticipated that the release of the Peloton Rower has been delayed. However, a recent update on the Peloton API hints that that may not be the case. The Peloton Rower may indeed still be released later this year. This is Colin Jenkins with Connect the Watts, where we cover the latest in connected fitness, so make sure to subscribe for more content just like this. Now, as discovered by PeloBuddy, Peloton updated one of their APIs yesterday with a class type called Row Bootcamp. While this doesn't necessarily mean that the Peloton Rower is going to be coming soon, it does point to the fact that Peloton is still preparing for it. Rowing bootcamps, which are classes that combine rowing with strength work, have been anticipated as one of its biggest selling points. And while there are bootcamp style classes on the bike, they tend to be a better fit for treadmills and rowers since no shoe swaps are needed. If the Peloton Rower were to be released, it would join a large number of connected fitness rowers already available, including ones from Nordic Track, Echelon, Averon, Ergata, and Hydro. Now, Hydro actually recently released a brand new rower called the Hydro Wave for under $1,500. So it'll be interesting to see not only if the Peloton Rower comes out, but also what price it will be released at. And while the new API gives hope that the Peloton Rower will still be released this year, it's important to remember that a similar API update took place about 1 year ago. And while we do now have confirmation that there is a Peloton Rower coming, we still don't have a concrete date as to when. If you enjoyed the video, we always appreciate a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.